Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. Let's talk about cleaning up a Euphorbia Ascot rainbow. This is that gorgeous, gorgeous euphorbia with the brightly variegated foliage. This foliage is going to bloom a year from now. It's late May. It's going to bloom late next winter, early spring. But by late May, the flowering stalks have gotten shabby and they're just going to get worse. And so cleanup is merely a matter of cutting the old flower stalks to the ground. These are somewhat woody, so I'm using my pruning shears. And because I might not be able to cut them with my trusty pocket knife. All right, so it's really the only maintenance you need to do with the plant, and it's only a one time of a year maintenance. So we're now good. This will get better over the course of the summer, look glorious this winter, and bloom again late winter, early spring. Now there's a second plant here, and I'll quickly cut the stems out. You don't have to necessarily cut them all the way to the ground, but it's nice to cut them low enough so you're not looking at the cut stumps. All right, well, this individual plant presents another maintenance issue. You see it has two stems there and a smaller one here that are not variegated. They're all green. You'll want to cut those out as well, because with a variegated plant, the all green reversions will grow more vigorously and can in time overpower the variegated part. So you want to cut them out. This is also the best time of year to stick cuttings. These stems, the new growth will root better than the old growth. Now, having said that, they are not particularly easy to root because they're very prone to rotting when you're trying to keep them moist enough to root. So it's a real balancing act. But now both of them are cleaned up. So that's all there is to cleaning up one of these spring blooming euphorbias. And this one is Ascot Rainbow. Thank you for your time today, and I hope that was useful.